So hi guys, welcome back to my PHP tutorial, and today I would like to teach you pre-increment and post-increment. So what post-increment does is we always do it on for loop, right? We always do variable then plus plus, which is post-increment. Post-increment, which means that when the value is they have an internal copy of temporary variable for like when you declare I do an example here, right? When I have an I, okay, then which is have a value of 1 inside the variable I, then I declare another A. I store my I, which does the post increment into the A variable. Then I echo it out. What do you think it will be? It will become 1, right? Because it's post increment, which means that it have a temporary variable data copy first, then only they does the increment, but they in the meantime they'll first return the old value first instead of they return the increment value. So which means that if you want to get the value that is already finished increment, right, then we should have another declaration. Okay, let's have a look with it. So what A will be is 1. Now B will be 2 because it's already already does the increment. Then you return back on the second time. Okay, so what about pre-increment? Pre-increment is much more different because they work straight increase, then they straight return the new value. They does not return the old value first, then only they increase. No, they straight away return the new value, which means that right now I have my I, right? I command line out this one first. I have my I, then I have my A variable that store my I pre-increment. So pre-increment is will be plus plus in front of the variable. Okay, then echo my A. So right now I'll be getting 2 because they increase, then straight away return the new value. Okay, let's have a look with it. Plug. Okay, right now I get 2. So this is post and pre-increment, and you can do it. So what we use for post and pre-increment, right? Normally we use it do while loop or maybe for loop, right? If you guys know for loop, because I didn't teach for loop yet, so maybe if you know other programming language, right, if you've seen for loop, maybe we always use post increment because we want our the first initial default value to be taken first, then only we increase it, but not getting a new value. If we use pre-increment, then we will be using the new value first instead of the old value. So that's all for my tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out my Patreon page. I will be keep on uploading new projects to my Patreon page, and maybe if you would interested to all my projects, then you can just subscribe to my Patreon page and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thank you, bye bye.